Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will unbox this wired PDP Xbox One controller. I was looking for a second controller for my Xbox One, and I was very surprised how expensive they are. I checked on Amazon, and I came across this wired PDP Xbox One controller which was less than half price the original. It had many positive reviews, and I decided to purchase it. To my surprise, this controller is very good. I picked this color because it was the cheapest. After all, who cares what the color of the controller is, as long as it works. I was also pleasantly surprised to find out that the controller had some extra features, like a microphone mute, audio and voice control. It feels solid and well built, and frankly it feels like the original. I am very glad I got this controller. It works very well, and now this is my everyday use controller. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.